Traditional Chinese medicine has its own secrets. Let me unravel these mysteries. In order to improve sleep quality, we can also practice the cat stretching exercise. Just like an ordinary cat that is stretching out or turning its head left or right, one motion after another. Then we can separate our legs. Then kneel down. Stretch hands forward. Then extend your head forward. First do the head up and bending over. Raise hips and make it back. Hug your back to the opposite side. Lead up your back as much as possible. First, raise hips. Head up. Return. Reverse. First, practice for 3 to 5 times and return. Head up and raise hips. Head and hips both turn left at the same time and to the right. To the left, then to the right. Repeat. Left, right. Repeat for 3 to 5 times. We use our right hand and left leg to support our body and extend out the right leg and left arm. Look forward in an angle. Pause a little bit. Relax and reverse. Right leg, left leg, and right arm stretch out. Extend forward and return. Repeat for 3 to 5 times. Our cat stretching exercise. By spinning the vertebral and stretching the vertebral is beneficial to our heart and kidneys. It blends water and fire to allow water and fire to regulate each other. Because insomnia is mostly caused by the syndrome of flaring up of heart fire. Then with cat stretching, the function of improving insomnia can be exerted.